Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at another CAD tool for our dimensions, and that will be the diametral measurement. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. So now with our circular shape on our display again, we're going to be looking at the next dimensional setting, which is the diametral. So this will be basically getting the surface area of a circle across the whole thing, where previously we looked at the radial, so it'll be from center to the side. Now we'll be looking at the overall. So once again, like with the radial, we want to select our shape, go down, and then select the actual diametral setting. So we're going to click that and click where we want our display to be aligned with. So I'm going to go just on the horizontal. Well, let's go a bit bottom right this time. I click there, and then we can nicely see there. It takes it from left to right. Shows us also a nice little indication where the center is. But yeah, as we can see here, we've got a nice little setup. It tells us the overall width of this shape is 200. So if you can remember in the previous video, when we created the shape, we made sure that it is 200. So we can nicely see what is the center and what is the overall width of it. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the diametral meter or a diametral setting. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.